Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the front calipers on my 98 Montero. I did notice a few weeks ago that when I'm braking it's pulling to the passenger side. It was intermittent, but it is getting progressively worse. Had this happen before, and ended up being the calipers. When I got my tires rotated last weekend, brake pads still have a ton of meat on it, so I want to get this taken care of before I get some real premature wear on here on the my front brakes. Like I said, I had to replace them back in when I first got the Montero because the original ones looked pretty in bad shape. I should have rebuilt them, but I replaced them with centric front calipers. I had good experience with those in the past, but those failed shortly, just under a year. And I went ahead and replaced them again with the Nugen brand. They had good reviews, so I replaced these in 2018. It's 2022 now, and they lasted this long. But to be honest, I don't want to keep replacing these calipers every 4 or 5 years. So I went ahead and bit the bullet and tried to see if there's any OEM Mitsubishi calipers, brand new or reman, and it looks like I got the last two Mitsubishi reman calipers in the United States, and that's them right there, very last ones from what my Mitsu parts guy told me. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace these and get done with it. Okay, this is the passenger side. This is the side I suspect that is this caliper is starting to fail. I do notice there's like a lot more brake dust on the caliper and in the general area. This is the my ace and hubs. It's a little bit more dirty than usual, and then if you look closely, if I just wipe that, it's a lot of brake dust surface on the caliper. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace this side, and then I'll inspect the driver's side when I get to it. But I think this is the side that's starting to fail, this caliper. Are the very last two here in the United States. I'm not sure in the world, but for here in the United States, these were the last two that a parts guy can find in any of the distribution centers or in the dealerships. This one was located in New Jersey, and looks like this one was in Georgia. So this is the part number for the left side, and that is the part number for the right side. So these are gonna, unless they catastrophically fail, from here in the future, I'll end up rebuilding these. But yeah, these are the original ones, original Mitsu, rebuilt by Mitsubishi. So we'll go ahead and swap these out, and hopefully Mitsubishi keeps making these. I was told by my parts guy that if Mitsubishi keeps getting cores for certain parts, they will start reproducing, like reman certain parts like calipers and whatsoever, and they'll make them available again. I don't know if that's true. I don't know if he was just making a guess, but it kind of sounds plausible. So these cost me about 100 something each. It was two something with my discount, and then these have $20 cores. So yeah, we're gonna get these done. Alright, passenger side is done. Now we're gonna go ahead and tackle the driver's side. Well, here's the driver's side. Driver's side has about the same, but it's definitely not as thick, so it's looking like it was the passenger side that was caliper that was starting to fail. So alright, we're gonna go ahead and get this driver's side replaced. Alright, doing a test drive after replacing the calipers. Everything feels good right now. Like I said, when I started feeling when I brake before, it would steer to one side. So I'm going to try right now. Brake. I'm going to go brake, steering wheel straight, so that fixed the problem. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.